now that I got all my scrap wood taken care of, I'm ready to build some stuff. I got these awesome plans off the internet, feeling pretty inspired. Now if I could just find my tape measure or my pencils. And I think I used every single tool I own on making that sweet cart, but I really need to figure out a solution to my tool situation. That's what I'm going to do today. Man, it sure is nice having this awesome wood cart just holding all my plywood for me. Getting this one sheet off all by myself. How sweet is that?
This is how I break it down. You need to spend more time on that bike, Muffin Man. That's a ghetto track saw. Look at this rad camera angle. Starting to think this pre-finished plywood was probably a bad idea. Hope you're not paying this guy by the hour. Look at that noob.
Can you believe that?
Look at this safety train wreck. If one is good, 15 is better. This is some strong country boy figuring right here. Hey, if it works, it works. And it works. Oh yeah. Hey, there's those safety glasses.
Well, here it is, folks. The rolling tool storage cart of awesomeness. When I wanted to figure out how to store my tools, which I keep laying all over the place all the time, I just thought to myself, what would Adam Savage do? And wouldn't you know it, he already had the perfect design, so I went ahead and stole it. Anyway, this is the bare bones frame. You can't really see like how it's going to store tools at the moment, but if you watch his video or if you stay tuned, I'm going to put out the rest of how I put my tools on here. But made from a single sheet, a half a sheet of 1/2-inch plywood, and that's what's left over, which will probably make 90% of my tool storage compartments and hangers and all that. And then I still have a half a sheet of plywood. There might be some plans available when I'm done too, so just go ahead and look in the description. Anyway, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the second part where I put all my tools in it.